my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I'm so happy to see you again. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Maya. She is going to cook a simple and delicious dinner at home. I will speak very slowly. I will use very easy words. This will help you understand every step. After the story, we will practice speaking together. Are you hungry for some English? Let's begin. Maya lives alone in a small apartment. Her apartment has one bedroom, one bathroom, a living room, and a kitchen. The kitchen is small, but it has everything she needs. It has a stove. It has an oven. It has a refrigerator. It has a sink. It has pots and pans. But Maya does not cook. She never learned how to cook. Her mother always cooked for her. When she moved out, she started eating easy food. She eats sandwiches. She eats instant noodles. She eats frozen pizza. She orders food from restaurants. She spent a lot of money on takeout. Maya knows this is not good. She knows cooking is healthier. She knows cooking is cheaper. But she is scared. She thinks cooking is too hard. She thinks she will make a mistake. She thinks she will burn the food or cut her finger. One evening, Maya comes home from work. She is tired. She opens her refrigerator. It is almost empty. There is some milk. There's a piece of cheese. There are 2 eggs. There is a small bag of vegetables. Some carrots. Some onions. Some tomatoes. Maya looks at the food. She thinks, I can order pizza again. But then she stops. She says to herself, no, today I will try. Today I will cook dinner. For myself. Maya feels nervous, but she also feels excited. She takes out her phone. She searches for a simple recipe. She finds one. It is called vegetable rice. The recipe looks easy. It needs rice, vegetables, salt, pepper, and oil. Maya has all of these things. She takes a deep breath. She says, okay, let's do this. First, Maya washes her hands. This is very important. Clean hands keep food safe. She washes with soap and warm water. She dries her hands with a towel. Next, she takes out a cutting board. A cutting board is a flat piece of wood or plastic. You cut food on it. She puts the cutting board on the kitchen counter. Then she takes out a knife. The knife is sharp. Maya is careful. She holds the knife slowly. She takes the carrots first. She washes the carrots under cold water. Then she puts them on the cutting board. She cuts off the ends. She throws the ends in the trash. Then she cuts the carrots into small circles. She goes slowly. She does not rush. Her fingers are safe. She puts the carrot circles in a small bowl. Next, the onions. Maya takes an onion. She peels off the brown skin. The skin comes off easily. Under the skin, the onion is white and shiny. But then, Maya's eyes start to water. The onion makes her cry. She rubs her eyes. That makes it worse. She laughs at herself. She looks funny with tears on her face. She finishes cutting the onion into small pieces. She puts the onion pieces in the bowl with the carrots. Next, the tomatoes. Maya washes the tomatoes. She cuts them into small pieces. The tomatoes are soft and juicy. Juice gets on her fingers. She licks her finger. The tomato tastes fresh and sweet. She smiles. She puts the tomato pieces in the bowl. Now Maya takes out a pot. A pot is a deep metal container for cooking. She puts the pot on the stove. She adds a little oil. Just 2 spoons of oil. She turns on the heat. The stove makes a small sound. Whoosh. The oil gets hot. Maya is careful. She does not want to burn herself. She takes the bowl of vegetables. She pours the vegetables into the hot pot. The vegetables make a sound. Maya jumps a little. The sound surprises her. But then she relaxes. It is normal. That is the sound of cooking. She takes a wooden spoon. She stirs the vegetables. She moves them around the pot. The vegetables start to smell good. The onions smell sweet. The carrot smells earthy. The tomato smells fresh. Maya's mouth starts to water. She is hungry. She cooks the vegetables for 5 minutes. Then she adds rice. She takes 1 cup of rice. She pours it into the pot. She stirs again. Then she adds water. 2 cups of water. She adds a little salt. She adds a little black pepper. She stirs everything together. Now, she puts a lid on the pot. The lid covers the pot. The heat stays inside. Maya waits. She looks at the clock. She needs to wait for 15 minutes. 15 minutes feels like a long time. While she waits, she cleans the kitchen. She washes the cutting board. She washes the knife. She wipes the counter. She throws away the vegetable peels. The kitchen looks clean again. The pot makes a small sound. Puff, puff, puff. The rice is cooking. Steam comes out of the pot. The smell fills the kitchen. It smells like a real dinner. Maya feels proud. Finally, 15 minutes pass. Maya turns off the heat. She carefully takes off the lid. Steam rises into the air. She looks inside the pot. The rice is soft and white. The vegetables are mixed in. It looks good. It looks like the picture on her phone. Maya takes a spoon. She takes a small taste. She blows on the spoon to cool it down. She puts the food in her mouth. She chews slowly. Her eyes open wide. It is good. It is actually good. The rice is soft. The vegetables are sweet. The salt and pepper are just right. Maya feels so happy. She cooked dinner. Real dinner. With her own hands. She made it from simple ingredients. She did not burn anything. She did not cut herself. She did not make a big mess. She just cooked, and it worked. She takes a big bowl. She fills it with the vegetable rice. She sits at her small dining table. She eats slowly. She enjoys every bite. The food tastes better than any pizza, better than any takeout, because she made it herself. She put love into it. She put effort into it. After dinner, Maya washes her dishes. She puts them away. She wipes the table. She looks at her clean kitchen. She feels peaceful. She feels capable. She feels like an adult. Maya learned something important that night. Cooking is not scary. Cooking is just following steps. You read the recipe. You prepare the ingredients. You take your time. You stay safe. And at the end, you have something warm and delicious. Maya decides to cook more often. She buys a simple cookbook. She tries new recipes every week. Sometimes she makes mistakes. Sometimes the food is too salty. Sometimes she burns the bread. But she does not give up. She learns from her mistakes. And every time, she gets a little better. Now, cooking dinner is Maya's favorite part of the day. She puts on music. She chops vegetables. She stirs the pot. She tastes the food. It is relaxing. It is creative. It is delicious. And she does it all by herself. Now, let us practice speaking. I will say a short sentence. Then you will repeat the sentence. There will be a pause. Use the pause to speak. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. Remember, every time you speak, your mouth learns the new sounds. Ready? Let us begin. Maya lives alone in a small apartment. She spends a lot of money on takeout. She opens her refrigerator. She sees carrots, onions, and tomatoes. She finds a simple recipe for vegetable rice. She washes her hands. She takes out a cutting board and a knife. She washes the vegetables. She cuts the tomatoes into small pieces. She puts all the vegetables in a bowl. She takes a pot and puts it on the stove. She turns on the heat. She stirs the vegetables with a wooden spoon. She cleans the kitchen while she waits. She turns off the heat. She tastes the food. She eats her dinner slowly. She washes the dishes after eating. Now, cooking dinner is her favorite part of the day. Excellent. You did a fantastic job. Your pronunciation is getting better. I am very proud of you. Now, I will tell you the key parts of the story again. But this time, I will speak a little faster. Not very fast, just more natural. Do not repeat. Just listen. Listen to how the words flow together. Listen to the rhythm. This will help your ear understand real English. Here we go. Maya lives alone. She never cooks. She eats fast food and frozen pizza. One evening, she opens her refrigerator. It is almost empty. She sees carrots, onions, and tomatoes. She decides to cook dinner. She finds a simple recipe for vegetable rice. First, she washes her hands. She cuts the carrots, onions, and tomatoes into small pieces. She puts oil in a pot and turns on the heat. She adds the vegetables. They sizzle. She stirs them. Then she adds rice, water, salt, and pepper. She puts a lid on the pot and waits 15 minutes. She cleans the kitchen while she waits. Then she turns off the heat. She tastes the food. It is good. Maya feels proud and happy. She learns that cooking is not scary. It is just following steps. Now, cooking dinner is her favorite part of the day. Did you hear the difference? The words are the same, but the speed is a little faster. That is how native speakers talk. Do not worry if you did not catch every word. Listen again. Play this part 2 or 3 times. Your ears will learn. You did a wonderful job today. Learning kitchen English is very useful because we use these words every single day. You practice your listening and you use your voice to speak. That is how you get better. Thank you for spending time with me, David, on Speak Easy English. If you enjoyed this cooking story, please like this video. It helps our community grow. Share this with a friend who is also practicing English. You can even practice cooking together. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss our new lessons. I have a question for you. What is your favorite thing to cook for dinner? Do you like pasta, rice, or maybe chicken? Tell me in the comments below. I love to read about your favorite foods. Keep practicing, keep cooking, and keep learning. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.